Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to archive all posts you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC with the new update. To get started, open your Instagram account on your PC. At the bottom left corner, click on the More icon, or the three dots. Then, click on Your Activity. From the Photos and Videos section, navigate to the Posts section to see all the posts you have shared. Click on Sort and Filter. Next, enter the start date and the end date for the period of the posts you want to archive. Click on Apply to filter the posts based on the dates you've entered. Now click on Select to choose all the posts you want to archive. You can select multiple posts at once. After selecting the posts, click on Archive and confirm the action. Your selected posts will now be archived and can be accessed later if needed. That's it. You have successfully archived all posts you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.